Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you if you're not able to take backup on your iPhone device and you are facing the iPhone backup failed problem on your iPhone device, then in this video I will tell you that how you can fix this problem. If you are facing this problem, you will have to watch this video completely so that you can fix this problem on your iPhone, iPad and other iOS devices. So now let's get started how you can fix this problem. First of all, check your iCloud storage. Make sure you have enough storage space available for the backup. So now let's check the available storage on your iCloud. Open setting of your iPhone device. Then here you will have to tap on your Apple ID. Scroll it below, tap on iCloud. And here you will have to make sure that your iCloud have enough storage space to take backup on your iPhone device. If you don't have enough space, then you will have to purchase extra iCloud storage from Apple. And after that, if you have storage and still you are facing this problem, then you will have to go back. And here you will have to make sure that you are using a strong internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, then you will have to disconnect with the Wi-Fi device and again connect with that device. And if you are using mobile data, then you will have to turn off your mobile data and you will have to turn it on again after 1 minute and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then again open setting of your iPhone device. Then you will need to scroll it below. Then tap on general, then tap on software update. And here you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS 17.1. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update it to the latest version. And if you are having still this problem, then again open setting of your iPhone device. Then here again scroll it below, tap on general, scroll it below a little bit. And here you will have to shut down your device and turn it on after 1 minute and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to again open setting of your iPhone device, then tap on your Apple ID. And after that, here you will have to scroll it below. Then here you will have to sign out your Apple ID and sign in after 1 minute and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to again open setting of your iPhone device, then tap on your Apple ID. Then here you will have to tap on iCloud. Then here you will have to scroll it below. Then from here you will have to make sure that the iCloud backup is turned on from here. And after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem and you are not able to take backup on your iPhone device, then again go back, again open setting of your iPhone device. Then you will have to scroll it below, tap on general. Then again scroll it below, tap on background app refresh, and here you will have to make sure that the background app refresh is turned on from here. And after that, go back and tap on VPN and device management, and here you will have to make sure that you are not connected with any VPN. If you are connected with VPN, then you will have to disconnect with that VPN and try again later and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and then tap on reset network setting and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to try reset all settings and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then at the last you will have to contact with Apple support and you will have to tell them your problem. Hopefully they will fix your problem within 24 hours. So that's it from this video. In this way you can fix this problem. You can take backup on your iPhone device. So hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.